German Shepherds, the art of proper leash training and walking etiquette. German Shepherds are known for their intelligence, loyalty, and versatility. They are one of the most popular breeds in the world, and for good reason. These majestic dogs are not only great companions, but also excel as working dogs in various fields such as search and rescue, police and military work, and service dog tasks. However, with their high energy levels and strong-willed nature, it is essential for German Shepherd owners to master the art of proper leash training and walking etiquette. Leash training is a crucial part of a dog's obedience training, and German Shepherds are no exception. It is essential to start leash training at an early age to instill good walking habits and prevent behavioral problems down the line. The first step is to introduce your German Shepherd puppy to the concept of a leash. Allow them to sniff and familiarize themselves with the leash before attaching it to their collar or harness. It is important to use a comfortable and sturdy leash that will give you control over your dog without causing discomfort or injury. Once your German Shepherd is comfortable with the leash, it is time to start teaching them the basic commands associated with walking on a leash. The two most important commands are heel and leave it. Heel teaches your dog to walk by your side without pulling or straying away, while leave it ensures that they ignore distractions and focus on you during walks. These commands are crucial for a well-behaved and controlled walk. During leash training, consistency is key. Always reward your German Shepherd with treats and praise when they exhibit the desired behavior of walking calmly by your side. On the other hand, refrain from punishing or jerking the leash when they misbehave. This can create a negative association with the leash and hinder their progress. Instead, redirect their attention to you or use positive reinforcement techniques such as treat-based training to encourage good behavior. In addition to leash training, proper walking etiquette is equally important for German Shepherds. These dogs are known for their high energy levels and need regular exercise to keep them happy and healthy. Daily walks not only provide physical exercise, but also mental stimulation for this intelligent breed. However, it is essential to follow certain etiquette rules to ensure a pleasant walking experience for both you and your German Shepherd. Firstly, always walk your German Shepherd on a leash, even if they are well-trained and obedient. This is not only for their safety, but also for the safety of others around you. Unleashed dogs can be unpredictable and may cause incidents or accidents. Additionally, keeping your dog on a leash allows you to have better control in case of any unforeseen circumstances. Furthermore, be aware of your surroundings during walks and respect others' personal space. German Shepherds are large and powerful dogs, and some people may feel intimidated or frightened by their presence. Keep a safe distance from strangers, especially small children or individuals who may have a fear of dogs. It is also important to clean up after your dog and carry waste bags with you at all times. Leaving dog waste on public sidewalks or parks is not only unsightly but also unhygienic. Lastly, keep in mind that not all German Shepherds are sociable or friendly with other dogs. Some individuals may exhibit aggression or fear towards unfamiliar dogs or animals. It is crucial to observe your dog's body language and reactions when encountering other dogs during walks. If your German Shepherd shows signs of discomfort or aggression, politely alert the other dog owner and find a way to avoid any potential conflicts. In conclusion, German Shepherds are magnificent dogs that require proper leash training and walking etiquette. With their high energy levels and strong-willed nature, it is crucial for owners to master the art of leash training from a young age. Consistency, positive reinforcement, and patience are essential for successful leash training. Additionally, following proper walking etiquette ensures a safe and enjoyable experience for both you and your German Shepherd. Remember to always respect others' personal space, clean up after your dog, and be mindful of your dog's behavior around other dogs. By following these guidelines, you can establish a strong bond with your German Shepherd and have many pleasant walks together.